Home improvement trends in Layton continue to evolve, and one of the most significant upgrades homeowners are making in 2025 is replacing their windows and doors. Whether it's for improved energy efficiency, enhanced security, or simply boosting curb appeal, updating these essential features brings long-term benefits. If you're considering an upgrade, here are the top reasons why Layton homeowners are investing in new windows and doors this year. Improved energy efficiency and lower utility bills. With rising energy costs, homeowners in Layton are looking for ways to reduce their heating and cooling expenses. Older windows and doors often allow drafts and heat transfer, leading to increased energy consumption. Modern energy-efficient windows and doors feature double or triple pane glass to reduce heat transfer, or low-E coatings to block UV rays and improve insulation, and insulated frames that minimize air leaks. These features help maintain a consistent indoor temperature, reducing the strain on HVAC systems and lowering utility bills throughout the year. Enhanced home security and safety. The outdated doors and windows can be vulnerable entry points for burglars. In 2025, many homeowners in Layton are prioritizing security by upgrading to modern, reinforced materials. Newer models offer impact-resistant glass to withstand break-in attempts, multi-point locking systems for added security, smart locks and sensors for remote monitoring. By upgrading their windows and doors, homeowners gain peace of mind, knowing their families and belongings are safer. Increased home value and curb appeal. A well-maintained home with modern windows and doors is more attractive to potential buyers. Whether planning to sell soon or just enhancing aesthetics, an upgrade can significantly increase property value. Features such as sleek, contemporary window design, customizable front doors that complement home architecture, larger windows that maximize natural light. Not only do these upgrades make homes more visually appealing, but they also boost resale value, making it a smart long-term investment. Better noise reduction for a peaceful home. Layton homeowners looking for a quieter indoor environment are choosing windows and doors with noise-reducing technology. Advanced insulation and soundproof glass can significantly cut down on outside noise, providing a more peaceful living space, especially beneficial for those near busy roads or commercial areas. Protection from harsh weather conditions. Utah experiences a range of weather conditions, from intense summer heat to cold, snowy winters. Investing in durable, weather-resistant windows and doors can protect homes from the elements. Key benefits include improved insulation for winter warmth and summer cooling, moisture-resistant materials to prevent warping and rotting, storm-resistant glass to withstand extreme weather events. By upgrading, homeowners ensure their homes are more resilient and require fewer repairs in the long run. Reduced maintenance and long-lasting durability. Older wooden windows and doors often require frequent maintenance, such as painting, sealing, and repairs. In contrast, modern materials like vinyl, fiberglass, and composite are designed to last longer with minimal upkeep. These options resist warping, cracking, and fading, making them a low-maintenance solution for busy homeowners. More natural light and better indoor comfort. Modern window designs allow for more natural light without sacrificing energy efficiency. Many homeowners are opting for larger window installations to brighten up their interiors while maintaining insulation. Options like bay windows, floor-to-ceiling glass panels, and sliding doors enhance indoor comfort and create an inviting atmosphere. Is it time to upgrade your windows and doors? If your windows and doors are outdated, drafty, or difficult to operate, now is the perfect time to invest in an upgrade. Homeowners in Layton are making the switch in 2025 for better energy savings, increased home security, and enhanced aesthetics. Whether you're looking to improve your home's efficiency, protect against the elements, or increase property value, upgrading your windows and doors is a smart investment for long-term benefits. Consult a trusted window and door specialist in Layton to explore the best options for your home and budget. With the right choices, you can enjoy a more comfortable, stylish, and secure living space for years to come.